What is up, RC enthusiasts? Back here again today. I've got for you guys the 3 B14s, the KM version, the regular kit version, and the ready to run, which I think is a pretty good ready to run nowadays. So yeah, I'm up here at the hill. I'm going to go ahead and do a hill test on all 3 of these to see how they perform, and later on I'll give you the weight of these vehicles right here once I get to a scale, so I can give you the weight of each individual vehicle. Now there's one thing I got to mention. These trucks are not all identical at all, and obviously you guys know that's a KM version, so that's going to be the heaviest of the bunch. But these two are pretty similar. The only thing I had to upgrade, I don't know if you guys watched my video on building this one right here, but if you notice, the screws that they provided me were too long on that one. So what I had to do, you see that orange, I see that red spacer right there? Yes, it lifts the body about 6 millimeters. So it is the most lifted out of all 3 of them. Not that big of a difference, but it is a difference, so I want to mention it. And also, oh, I've been pointing at that one as the cam. This is actually the cam right here. Dang, they're the same color. Well, anyway, this cam right here, as you can tell, the wheels are wider apart. Now, I didn't notice that when I first 3D printed those wheels, but if you can tell, all those wheels are 3D printed. So if any of them fail due to the 3D printed wheels, I'll let you guys know, because this one right here seems to be a little loose on there. The hex is not that great of a fit. So if it fails, we'll redo this test some other day, but for now I want to take these 3 out on this hill, and I want to show you a little bit of difference between all of them. And obviously I pointed out this one has the wider out wheel, so that's going to perform a little bit better on side hilling, and this one right here is definitely going to be better approach, departure angle for sure on this one, and breakover angle as well, which is the center angle right here, because it's a lot lifted than the other 2. And this ready to run, completely 100% stock. The wheel offsets are exactly how they would look like from stock, so it's pretty stock. I just wanted to bring that up so you guys know that I'm not trying to cheat or anything, but they do have little differences. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the hill I'm going to try right now, and then we'll get these trucks up on there. Alright, this is the course we're going to take. This is going to be the first truck on the test. It's going to go through here, and we're just going to go all the way up here. I might fast forward this part, might be boring, but we're trying to get to over here where you see this climb is pretty intense, and some of my WPLs actually don't make it up here because it's too slippery. And it's completely stock, ready to run with some aftermarket 3D printed wheels on it. So you can tell it's pretty smooth. Ooh, stepped on my own cord. That's not good. That's full throttle right there, uphill. This is all uphill, guys, just so you know. And here's the slippery stuff. So you can tell it's getting slippery. Let me see if I can go slow for some grip. And these are the RTR tires, just so you know. Okay, can't go up that way. Try a little bit to the left some more. There you go. Come on, buddy. Turn on your lockers. I mean, you're fully locked. There you go. Didn't like that. Next attempt. There you go. Got some rock grippage right there. Come on, grip that rock. Oh, I can see a problem with one of my 3D printed wheels. Oh, I almost slipped. Look at that wheel. It's not moving. Getting stuck. Oh. Already, first truck, I'm going to have to go ahead and redo this test, I think, because that 3D printed wheel right there is very loose. You can tell it's not even spinning anymore. And that's just the wheel. So there you go, guys. The RTR didn't make it up, and it is due to the wheels. All right, now we have the kit version. Let's go, do it. Whew, a little too fast there. A lot more slow control for sure with this one, as you can tell. Let's try a little bit of rock crawling with it. Now tires aren't glued, so they might come off. Like I said, 3D printed wheels as well. A lot more higher speed than the other one. Soft tires do grip a little better. Commentating and walking and driving. I don't do this kind of stuff normally, and just so you guys appreciate this a little bit more, you know, hit that subscribe button. It's 100 degrees almost out here right now, and it's only 8 a.m. in the morning in Phoenix, Arizona. Oh, I just lost a shoe. I just lost a shoe. All right, here's the climb. We'll attempt the first area first, just like the other truck. All right, try a little bit to the left like the other truck. Oh, there you go, guys. Looks like this one's gonna make it. Oh, I seem to have flipped the drive shaft out because of my lift. So you can tell there. I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect that. Put it right back where it's got stuck. Now I can correct that with the metal drive shafts for sure. That you can get a lot higher angle with those ones. Let's continue. Lost front drive shaft again, so that's as far as I'm gonna go with that lift and that plastic drive shaft. Just to be fair, just like the other one with the wheel that stopped working, we're gonna stop here. And let's get the KM version going. Now with the KM with the wider stance and running on my Fly Sky GT3C transmitter. I'm gonna be running on first gear or low. So let's see how it does. Look how low that low is. Let's try to do some rock crawling right here. All right, off we go. Steering angle is a lot better on this one. Soft tires as well. And we got a helicopter, of course, coming. That's just how it works out for YouTube, you know. So let's just go ahead and listen to this guy go, and we'll talk some more after. Look at that, guys, military helicopter. Sweet. I don't know if I got that in frame. I just pointed my camera up. Let's continue. Now same with this one, 3D printed wheel, so it might be the downfall to this one as well, but the other one was a drive shaft for the regular kit. So here we go, the climb. And this thing weighs a lot more than the other two, so let's see how it does on the incline. Try the same direction. Okay, doesn't want to do that. Let's go to this side. Oh, I'm not even getting you on camera anymore. Oh, something disconnected. Uh-oh. What did I do wrong? Oh, the drive. Oh wow. Look at that. I left the screws loose for the front leaves to get more flex. and they both came off and are lost. Well, there you go, guys. That one right there is on me because I didn't screw those screws all the way in and they were pretty short. So that ended that. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's going to be it for this run today. It's really hot. I'm going to come back out and do like a crawl competition between them. I'm going to put some wheel weights on the other two to make it fair. And I'm going to go ahead and do a better crawl session for you guys. This was just a little, hopefully, hill demo. So you can see the RTR, the kit version, the regular kit version was the only one that made it all the way up there. And this one was, well, not all the way up. It made it a lot higher. It made it up to like right here. That's where it dug in right there. So yeah, the B36 makes it all the way up here to 6x6. So that's why I wanted to try this hill. I put the battery in the back right there to get the weight with battery in there. But this is the battery I used on all those runs. It's a 1500 mAh 2-cell lithium-ion battery. So as you can tell here on the RTR, 639 grams. Well, as you can tell right there, the kit is 1 gram lighter for some weird reason. That could also be due to my 3D printed parts. As you can tell, that's 1 gram lighter for that one. So let's go to the kit metal version. And there you go for the kit metal, 1080 grams. She's definitely a lot heavier than the other two, so you can tell right there, there's advantages to having that much weight, and there's also some disadvantages. Well, there you guys go. Regular kit, almost made it all the way up. Drive shaft just popped out due to high clearance, or my raising mod doesn't work well with the plastic drive shaft. And the KM version decided to fail on me as well by both of the screws on the leaf springs popping off, causing the whole front to just come off. And this guy survived the best out of all of them because the only thing that failed was my 3D printed wheel. As you can tell in here, there's nothing wrong. It's just the wheel loose, see? You can tell nothing else is spinning in there. The shaft is not spinning, nothing. So there's nothing wrong with that. Everything's fine. It's just the wheel loose. So there you go, guys. My 3 B14s. None of them made it all the way up. The regular kit made it most of the way up. But we'll do a proper crawl video with these and see how they do crawling against each other. But for now, guys, thanks for watching as always. It's really hot out here, so I'm going to get back in my car. And don't forget, be safe out there, have fun, and run those RCs.